James Paradise here. We are living in the Caribbean. I am making a personal pepperoni cheese with special sauce pizza right now, okay? Which I'll show you in a minute. I even made my own pizza dough. Look at that shit. And I don't even have a oven to cook the pizza. I'm going upstairs. I'm gonna make a fire in a homemade brick pizza oven that I made, and I'm gonna make this pizza. So keep watching this video, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, because at the end of this video, not only am I gonna show you how to make homemade pizza for about $5 so you can feed 4 or 5 people, I'm gonna show you how to make a lot of money on the internet with the #1 system in the world. Keep watching, here we go. Homemade Italian pizza on the Caribbean, on the beach. We just had a hurricane category 2 hit us 5 days ago, and we're cooking at home, living in the Caribbean. We got pepperoni, I got mozzarella cheese, I have a homemade tomato sauce. Look at that, I made my own homemade, look how thick that is. That looks amazing. This took about, not too long, about 20-30 minutes to make. Absolutely. Woo! That is amazing. And keep watching the video. I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade pizza. Live cheap. Minimalize your life. I don't care if you have $10,000 a month in bills. I don't care if you have $1,000 a month in bills. I'm going to show you how to cut that down to about $700 a month, but make $700 per day. Keep watching. So now we got the my homemade pizza dough, homemade pizza sauce, and the mozzarella cheese I didn't make. We picked it up at Walmart. That's okay. But anyway, check it out. Now we're going to put on the pepperoni. I roll my tongue because I'm in the Caribbean and make a call. So now we got the my homemade pizza dough, homemade pizza sauce, and the mozzarella cheese I didn't make. We picked it up at Walmart. That's okay. But anyway, check it out. Now we're going to put on the pepperoni. I roll my tongue because I'm in the Caribbean and make a call. The pizza, the dough, the tomato sauce, all homemade. My friends are laughing at me right now. Pepperoni, mozzarella cheese. Nice and simple. However, the complicated part is the sauce. I've got like 7 or 8 ingredients in that sauce. I'm not telling you unless you can hire me, I'll cook it for you. Or I'll do a cooking video for you. But now we got to get the barbecue started. We're going to put this in a brick oven pizza upstairs somewhere. And we're going to cook this sucker. So smash the like button, click the notification bell, subscribe to my channel. Keep watching my videos. Or don't. I don't really care. No, I do. I'm kidding. I love you. All right. Hey guys, we got our pizza. We just cooked this in the barbecue upstairs. I'm going to show you a video of the brick oven barbecue upstairs. We're in the Caribbean, Mexico. By the way, my friend Oscar is taking the video. And that is a personalized gourmet pepperoni pizza. I don't know how the hell it took us like 1 hour to make the fire, right? We couldn't even make the fire because everything was wet, the wood, the charcoal. But anyway, check that out. We're going to cut this up. We're going to take a slice. If you love my videos, you love the pizza, I'll send you the ingredients. I'll send you the menu. I'll send you the whole thing. I'll even cook one for you. How about that? Smash the like button, click the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and we're going to make some more pizza. Let's try it right now. Cool. All right, so we just dug into this personal handmade pizza here in Mexico, in the Caribbean. I made everything original. I made the dough myself. I made the tomato sauce myself, the pepperonis, the cheese. I've got 5 different vegetables in that sauce. Garlic, onion, oregano, a little, look, if you want my ingredients to this pizza, it was amazing. In fact, here, we're going to ask everybody, oh yeah, was the pizza buena? See, was it good or see? See or no?
Buena.
Thumbs up?
Chachas pizza.
Thumbs up or down?
No.
Perfecto! Thumbs up or down the pizza? Oscar's a Packers fan. They might go to the Super Bowl. Loves the pizza.
Go, Pack, go!
Exactly. And Baby Prue, is the pizza thumbs up or thumbs down?
What?
Well, it's thumbs up. Okay. Well, now we have to ask the most important person, Patrick James. How is the pizza? Okay, it killed him. He's dead. Okay, so the pizza killed the baby. He's out. Mucho tequila. All right, so if you love my videos, guys, I have a lot of playlists. I entertain you. I teach you how to make money online. I teach you how to make money in real estate. I teach you how to make money traveling the world, save money, and also live a good lifestyle. That's exactly what you want to do. Click the like button, subscribe, get all my click the notification bell, get all my videos. And if you're interested in the link in the description, comment and say I want your pizza menu, your ingredients. I'll show you exactly how to make the best pizza in the world. Heck, go open a pizza restaurant. In fact, that's what we're talking about doing right now in Mexico. Why not? Pizza! Everybody loves pizza. I'll see you soon. Keep watching.